Hey everyone, welcome back to Random Code. Today we're diving into one of the most essential tools in Photoshop, the Move tool, V. If you've ever struggled with aligning objects or positioning layers perfectly, this tutorial will change the way you work. We'll cover how to move objects with precision, the best way to align and distribute elements, the difference between auto-select and manual selection.
So let's jump right in.
Alright, let's start with the basics. To activate the Move tool, simply press V on your keyboard or click the first tool in the toolbar. Now, if you want to move an object freely, just click and drag. But for precise movements, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Each press moves the object 1 pixel, and if you hold Shift, it moves 10 pixels at a time. Pro tip, hold Shift while dragging to keep the movement straight along a horizontal or vertical line. Now let's talk about alignment. When working with multiple objects, Photoshop makes it super easy to align them perfectly. Select multiple layers, then go to the Options bar at the top and choose from alignment options like Align Left, Center, or Right, Align Top, Middle, or Bottom. To evenly distribute objects, use the Distribute Spacing buttons. This ensures equal spacing between elements without manually adjusting them. To evenly distribute objects, use the Distribute Spacing buttons. This ensures equal spacing between elements without manually adjusting them. You can enable it from the Options bar. And now, clicking on any object will automatically select its layer. When to use Auto Select? When working on simple projects with few layers. When to avoid Auto Select? When dealing with complex designs where you need precise layer control. And that's a complete guide to the Move tool in Photoshop. Now you know how to move objects precisely, align elements perfectly, and use Auto Select efficiently. Question of the day: do you prefer Auto Select on or off? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next video.